Hi, my name is Rob, and this is a quick overview or walkthrough of the report browser type within EVA NetModeler evaluation software. If we click onto the report browser, we come up with a list of selected types. I'm going to choose application system, and I'm going to see if a report already exists. Yes, and one is called number 2 application system report. If I select that, you can see that what it does is allow me to make a selection of what type of report I want produced. Then in the middle it allows me to generate any filters associated with that report. And then I have a very easy way of selecting which properties I want represented on the report, the sort order of those properties, and then any associations with any relationships. I can modify this report, change things around, and very quickly I can then either generate a new report or generate the report as it now stands with the changes. Let's just click most of these boxes here. The quick way of doing that is to select all, of course, and then I can then just generate the report, or I can generate a report with edits. Let's just have a look at the generate report with edit. There we can see the report that's come up having selected all the properties. And because I've now got an edit facility on, I can, for example, click into the check-in system and actually make an edit there and then on any of the aspects of the check-in system. Cancel that particular edit. But can you see how useful that is? It means we can not only generate the report, we can make edits to it at the same time. The other thing that we can do, of course, is to generate CSV output. We can also generate CSV output with metadata, which allows us to put the row and column headings in with the CSV file for use with, let's say, Excel. It also allows us to check any relationships that we might want to be printed out as part of the report, and if they've got a hierarchy associated with them, we can do that at the same time. Now, having generated these reports, we can actually generate those reports and create them within our menu structure. Now, the menu allows us to have, if it were, canned access to our different reports, one of which is something we have created using a third-party product, CogniViz. If we click into that, we've then got a list of canned applications, reports which have been linked to this application. For example, there's an application context diagram. Here we can see use of this third-party product, which has taken our data and gives you, if you like, a rendering of the, in this particular case, like a spoke, with the central point being Adobe Go Live and then all the associations around the outside. We can take, let's say, an inventory type diagram, where here we've got that check-in system again. We hover and we get the properties, and then we've got a key down the bottom, so we can generate these type of reports for management. And we've got something which might be useful as well for looking at some sort of business analysis. In this particular case, we have a list of business units associated with business processes. We can even go to the stage of highlighting which business process we might be interested in, operations, for example, and then we can filter on that and redo the layout. So we're only interested in the subset of information that is appropriate to this type of output. Okay, so what we've got here then is a report browser which can then take information and place it into standard menu structure. So people can actually be presented with this menu, and then they can click straight into it like the application systems, and they get their report directly. Okay, that concludes this quick overview of the reporting browser type within EVA NetModeler evaluation software.